Very good evening to all my subscribers, viewers. Thank you for supporting me. And as usually, I am requesting you, please like the videos, share the channel, and subscribe the channel if you are not subscribed. Mostly at least 5 or 4 views are coming after uploading the videos. And thank you so much for the viewing. But so please like the videos. That helps me to reach more people. Thank you so much. Then without delay, let us start the next chapter, chemistry chapter, which is related to chemistry, class 8th, and some part of class 9th also included here. So that's why I wrote class 8th and 9th physical science chapter, chemistry chapter. Particulate nature of matter. This is called as matter in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings, or matter around us. Different chapter, different names. So chemistry chapter, the first chemistry chapter it is. So let us know a brief overview. Let's know the brief overview of our chapter. Let us discuss what are the topics we know. Introduction. Let us know what is meant by a matter. What is matter? What is matter? Matter in the sense, in our day-to-day life, we are using this word matter in different situations. But according to chemistry, it is the different. How these matter is made of. So let us know what is meant by matter, how this matter is made of. Then coming to next one, composition of matter. That means how matter made up of, how matter is made up of. Then coming to states of matter. According to our textbook, we have mainly three states. Solids, liquids, and gases. But we have another three states. They are plasma, another state plasma, Bose-Einstein, condensate, and the sixth one fem-ionic condensate. So there are six states of matter. Solids, liquids, gases. So these are the topic we have in our book. Then the fourth one is plasma, fifth one is Bose-Einstein condensate, the sixth one is ferro-ionic condensate. After knowing this, let us know properties of matter. We have different kinds of properties. How these properties are varied from one state to another state. How these properties are varies from one state to another state. How they are changed from one form to another form, like that. So we will discuss what are the physical properties or what are the properties of matter. We have to discuss here. So properties are properties. First one, shape, value, then different properties. We have compressibility, diffusion, intermolecular space, then intermolecular force of attraction, then one is changing state of matter, then fluidity and rigidity, right? So these are the physical properties we have to learn, mainly shape, value, compressibility, diffusion, intermolecular space, intermolecular force of attraction. Then later we will discuss changing state, fluidity and rigidity. Then after we will discuss about the changing state of matter. So here we will discuss about sublimation, evaporation, the main topic. Additionally, if it is possible, we will discuss condensation, crystallization also. Then another important one here is changing state of matter, effect of temperature and pressure. Effect of temperature and pressure. So these are the main topics or concepts in our chapter particulate nature of matter or matter in our surroundings, right? Will be change. Actually this topic is not included in class 9 government textbook because of another PDF. So what will happen? Additionally, some additional matter also you have to know, maybe which is you will learn in the higher studies. It's very useful to you also, don't worry about it. Then it is also learned in class maybe intermediate, I think. So or maybe in class 10 then the syllabus is changed. Then the same chapter will come in maybe in class 10. So we don't know what will happen. So this is about the brief introduction of our chapter particulate nature of matter. So let us discuss at least one or two topics now, right? So if it is possible, I will explain these properties of matter with activities, by conducting activities. So I am not sure, but I am trying to explain these properties of matter, especially compressibility, shape, value, diffusion, intermolecular space, So these will be explained by performing the activities if it is possible. I'm not sure because of some substances are required depending upon the availability of the required materials for conducting activity. So I will explain if it is possible compulsory, right? And so hope let us hope you understand the brief overview of our chapter or what the objectives. The objectives of this chapter. You will learn about what is matter, composition of matter, states of matter, properties of matter. So this is about the overview or brief overview about our chapter matter in our surroundings or particulate nature of matter. Simply we'll discuss these topics, right?